viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be showing you the easiest way of peeling beans. You know, peeled beans are used in many recipes, so this is one of the easiest ways you can do it, and you get your beans peeled so well. So right there, I've already put our water on fire. I'll just cover it. So right now I'll just go ahead and sort our beans, because we have some stones and some dirty things in them. So now we are done. Our beans are clean. They don't have a lot of dirt in them. So right now I'll go ahead and put in the beans. Our water is boiling. This is without washing. So just like I got my beans from the store, I put them. There is no need for washing at this stage because you're going to wash ahead of it. So I'll just put them in. And right now our combo is ready. So I'll just lift out the ash. So this is what I need. So I'll go ahead and pour it in. So if you want to learn how to make combo, check out my old video. The link is in the description box below. And then I'll cover. I'll let it cook for 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. It's time for removing the beans. So we need water and then this strainer. So right here are the beans. Yes, you can see how they look like. They are still raw. I'll go ahead and pour them in the strainer quickly. So at this point they are hot. So right here we have our beans. I'll just go ahead and squeeze them like that to take off the skin. So this is the use of combo. It helps make the skin soften quickly, and then we peel them off. So don't worry about the beans breaking, because they are still raw at this stage, so it's hard for them to break, like to crush completely. They'll just split up in the middle like this, that's all. This will take a little while until you're completely done. Since most of the covers have gone off, I'll now pour them in a saucepan. And I'll pour water to remove that skin, to make it easy for me to remove the remaining one from the other beans. You can see some of them have come on top. So I'll first deal with these ones. So the first time is the hard one, the second time is much easier because the skin floats on top. So you just scoop it off. There are still some beans going in, so I'll take them later. So I'll use a sieve, you can see. So this also makes work much easier. So you can see the amount of skin we have here, and then this one which we've removed so far. So the work remaining is so little. So this is the third time I'm putting water. I guess it will be the last one. So this is what we have now. A few skins remaining. After a long time of hustle, our beans are now here. This one is bad. First pour this water. It down to go with the remaining skin. So those are our peeled beans. It's time for cooking. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.